Welcome back to SQL with Ravi Martha. Today we'll discuss about sorting or order by class interview questions. Here are the questions listed. The first question, what is the default sorting using order by class when we not specify any ascending or descending? The answer would be the default sorting using order by class is ascending. Here is the syntax. Select star from TBL country, order by country name. So here we have not specified any particular class. It will by default sort in ascending order. Moving on to the question number 2, how the records of a table will be sorted using select when there is no primary key on the table. So basically the data will not be sorted in any particular order. It will just randomly pick the data from the database using the select statement. Moving on to the third question, what is the order by and how it is different from clustered index? Basically, order by class sorts the query results by one or more columns while retrieving the data from the database based on the condition we specify. Basically, it is ascending or descending. However, when a clustered index is used, so basically it will sort the data physically. So it is like the index of a book. Question number 4. How to sort the country? Basically, a specific country on the top and the rest of the countries in the TBL country table in ascending order. Basically, I have listed a particular query here. Select country ID, country name from TBL country. Order by case when country name equal to India, then null, else country name end. So this will by default sort in ascending order. However, when it comes to India, it will mark it as null and then it will sort on the top. Basically, we are specifying ascending order. So that's how we achieve the country on the top and the rest of the countries are in the ascending order. Question number 5. How to sort the data in specific order, or basically we can say unusual order for specific countries. Basically, if I want to see a country, UK on the top, India the second record, and the third record is US on the top basically. So this can be achieved by using the case statement. This is also called as conditional sorting. Here is a syntax for the conditional sorting. So what we are doing here is we are selecting the columns from this particular table using the order by class. So using the case statement, we are assigning the country name. So when it is UK, then we are marking it as 1. When it is India, we are marking it as 2. When it's USA, we are marking it as, then these 3 rows will be sorted first and the rest of the countries in ascending order. So we will get UK on the top, second India, and third USA. That's how the data will be sorted. Let's flip back to SQL Server Management Studio. For this, I have created a table called TBL country. The table got created and I'm inserting some of the test data here. So I'm just inserting 13 records here. Right, we'll try to perform these operations on this particular table. The first question is, what is the default sorting using order by when we not specify ascending or descending? So let's fire this query. Select star from country, order by country name. So when we do that, we get the sorting done in the ascending order. So this implies that the sorting will be done in the ascending order. So moving on to the question number 2, how the records of a table will be sorted using the select when there is no primary key. So in this case, there is no particular order in which the data will be retrieved, but it will be randomly picked up. So when we query this data, so basically it will not sort on any column, or since there is no primary key. So basically when you work with larger data sets, it will just randomly pick the data. It will not perform any sort operation. Moving on to the question number 3, what is order by and how it is different from clustered index? Basically the order by class sorts the query results by one or more columns while retrieving the data. So here we are explicitly sorting using the order by class the way we wanted. However, when there is a clustered index on a table, it will sort by default, it will sort the data physically. So this is like an index of a book. Moving on to the question number 4, how to sort the country in specific order. Basically, if the interviewer asks, I want the country India on the top and the rest of the countries in the ascending order. So that can be achieved by using this particular query. So here what I'm selecting is, I'm selecting country and country name from TBL country and I'm ordering by country name India. So when it is matching with India, it will mark it as null, and if it is not matching, it will use the original country name and it will sort by ascending order. So the SQL server sorts the data in ascending order. So the nulls will be sorted first. So the nulls will be sorted in ascending order in SQL Server when it is null. Moving on to the question number 5, how to sort the data in specific order. Basically it is kind of unusual order, we can say. So first I want UK and then India, then US and the rest of the countries in ascending order. So in that case we can use this particular query. So we can achieve this by using the case when statement, and we can also add multiple conditions here to sort the data on particular column. So here I am retrieving country ID and country name from the TBL country. When the country is matching with UK, I'm assigning it as 1. When it's matching with India, I'm assigning it as 2. When it's matching with USA, then I'm assigning 3. If it is not matching any of these 3, it will be as is, and it will be sorted ascending order. So let's run this query. So in this case, the UK will be sorted first, India second, and USA is third, and the rest of the rows will be sorted in the ascending order. So let's see how it behaves when we do a descending order. So basically I have performed a descending order here. So the last record will be the UK here. So USA, India and UK. This is how the sort operation can be performed. Here is the summary of what we discussed in today's session. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and tap the bell icon so that you'll get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.